I do not. Hey guys, welcome to or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jo and I'm American and I live in Jamaica. I think I'm gonna make that my new intro. But, well, no, because I already have an intro video and yeah. But anyways, today's video is going to be about the very expensive vacation trip that I took to Montego Bay. It was my first time in Montego Bay. It was a lot of fun. My grandparents came down and everything like that, which you guys are going to see. I am filming this intro way later because I wasn't initially going to film my trip to Montego Bay, but my mom really wanted me to, so I was like, sure, why not? So yeah, stick to the end to see what I thought about it and let me know what you guys think, and let's get started. Guys, so in the last clip that you saw, the clip that was before these clips, that was a hotel that my mom was thinking about buying. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what that looked like because I thought it was really cool. It was so nice. It was so big. It has 31 rooms. It's a little pricey, but I think she's really gonna think about buying it. So you guys should stay tuned for like a Jenkins hotel or something like that. But right now we're at the Holiday Inn Resort in Montego Bay. My grandmother is in Jamaica with my cousin. Ooh, is this focused? Hopefully that was focused. And my grandpa. And so we're going to see them, but they don't know that we're here yet. So I'm going to see if I can get some footage of that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video and keep watching.
$8 is my thing. You're gonna burst me.
like it. It's got water slides on it and everything, y'all. Whole water slide. Just so you guys know, this is another hotel that my mom was looking at, or not really a hotel, but just like a Airbnb type place that my mom was looking at that she wanted to buy, so that's why I put it in this video. Hey y'all, that's my cousin right there. Zach, say hi to my YouTube video. He's the tallest foot. Can't even see him. Here's Noe. Say hi, Noe.
Hi.
Got a mango.
How does this work?
He said he was in his mindset.
What? Cousin Katie's gonna be here. Really?
Who? Hello everyone. This is the Ellie vlog takeover. So, as you can see here, that's me. Hi. And then, here's outside. Joe thinks that this is super expensive, but like, it's a nice resort. You can't really see anything, but everything. Look, she's filming for her cousin. Okay, so yeah, we a little irritating, so you like can't see the room, but like this is our stuff. Yeah, we be traveling, so we just have to have it out. Here is my Xbox, and this is the star of the show, mango. You guys like mangoes? Comment down below if you like mangoes. Here's my earrings. Oh, you can't even see. Twice. Yes. I have a necklace in here that I got yesterday. See that? Cool, huh? Joe, what do you think about the resort now?
I think it's too expensive still.
So, in conclusion of the Ellie takeover, we have come to the conclusion that Joe is not the coolest, and
Wow.
I mean, come on. Alright, everybody.
And some lunch. OOTD. Hey guys. Whoa. So yeah, 'cause I'm not wearing makeup, but that's besides the point. So we're staying at the Holiday Inn all-inclusive resort. Guys, I cannot tell you how much or how expensive it is to freaking stay here. Like, it is ridiculous. I can't express it. So today we're leaving though. My grandma's gonna stay here for 3 more days, but we're gonna go to another place because it's $600 a night to stay here for me, my 6 siblings, my mom, and her fiance. So that's really expensive, which means it's been $1,200 to stay here for just 2 days. So I'm just gonna show you guys like a little more of the resort, and then I'm gonna talk about it later, like what I thought of it. And yeah, so right now, there's Illy. Right now we're gonna go to breakfast, and yeah, let's do it. In my swimsuit. There's Illy again. Say hi, Illy.
Hi, guys.
So we switched from one hotel, the Holiday Inn, to this other hotel. I'm not too sure what it's called. I'll have to look that for you guys, but it's a pretty decent hotel. I'd say we have a super huge bed in this room. Me and Italy get to share one, and then my cousin Zach and my brother Aaron and Kanoa are sleeping out in the living room on the sofa beds. So me and Italy are pretty lucky. But yeah, I'm pretty tired. I'm gonna film. I'm not sure what we're doing next, actually, so just stay tuned for whatever's coming next. And at the very end of the video, I will be talking about what I thought of the last hotel, and hopefully you guys will get to see or meet my grandparents in this video. Yeah, so stay tuned. I ended the video kind of abruptly. That was my bad. I thought I had filmed more, but I guess I didn't. Yeah, so the hotel that we stayed at, as I said, was $600 a night. That was fun. For just 2 nights. That's why we only stayed there for 2 nights, and then we moved on to a different hotel that was much cheaper and allowed us to still stay close to my grandma and my cousin and my grandpa in Montego Bay. But in my opinion, guys, it was a little overrated because if it's not really... So that was really weird. My camera stopped filming out of nowhere. I think the SD card was full, so I just deleted some things that I don't need anymore. But anyways, what I was trying to say was, when you stay at an all-inclusive resort like that, you don't really get the experience of Jamaica and what it's like and the culture and the food and stuff like that, because there wasn't a lot of Jamaican food there at all. For some people, that is their cup of tea, to just, you know, kind of have somewhere to relax and not really do anything. For me though, it was definitely a little on the more boring side. I do think that it was overrated, in my opinion anyways. Some people do like hotels like that, but I hope to show you guys other places to stay that are much cheaper and will give you a better experience in some of my later videos that I will come to film. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys want to see in my next videos. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time.
Purchase your tracks today.